Hey everyone, it is time for another Tara's Must-Have, a holiday edition. Ooh, love this set. All right, so what is a must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. This one has a little holiday cheer as well. And it starts with the foundation, which is our beautiful stoneware. So if you're new to our stoneware, these pieces go in the oven up to 500 degrees. They go in the microwave when you want to reheat. You can put them in the fridge. You can put them in the freezer. In case you were wondering, you can put it in the fridge and the freezer. They come with the snap-on storage covers, which is great. So you literally can prep, cook, serve, and store. And the best part is they all go in the dishwasher when you want to clean them. Beautifully hand-painted. This is our poinsettia. Poinsettia has that beautiful hand-painted detail of the red and green flower, as well as that bisky stoneware color rope detail that runs around the edges, helper handles, and yes, this is our 8x8 baker. We don't do very many of these pieces. Love this size. It's about 2 quart in total capacity. Then we also included in our holiday must-have our 11x7. This is like the quintessential baker, 2.5 quarts. It's perfect if maybe it's just the two of you. This could be your entree. If you have a bigger family, this is the perfect side dish. Same beautiful hand painting inside and out, but you ready? Here's what takes it to the next level. We included our Sleigh wrought iron rack. So now you have a beautiful way to go ahead and display your baking pieces. So you slip that 11x7 right underneath here. You drop in that beautiful 8x8 right here. Look how beautiful this is. Everything fits right inside that rack. And now you want to talk about a beautiful presentation piece. You have an 8x8 baker, 11x7 baker, and look at some of the great ideas that we did here. Look at this for apps, for your charcuterie board. Where can you get this, by the way? Head over to temp-tations.com. It is less than $30. $29.95 gets this home to you. An 8x8, an 11x7, snap-on storage covers, and a gorgeous wrought iron holder where we did keeping our cold things colder longer. We have our beautiful charcuterie board that we did here. These could be hot dips, cold dips, entrees, sides, whatever you would need. But look how beautiful this is. And when I want to go ahead and bring it to the table, I just pick it right up from that gorgeous wrought iron sleigh. This is such a special one-of-a-kind set. Look at our desserts. I mean, are you kidding? 8x8, 11x7, perfect baking sizes for all of your desserts. Whether you're making s'mores brownies or you're making a cheesecake. I love that idea. So beautiful enough to leave it out on your countertop, but I wanted to grab one more thing because this is stunning. Hold please, I'll be right there. We did a gorgeous sliced turkey breast and our green beans. This is a wow, okay? Stuffing on the bottom, beautiful sliced turkey breast, ham, roasts, steaks, whatever you wanna do. And then look at our little side dish here of our green beans. And the best part, in the microwave when you wanna reheat it. In the oven up to 500 degrees, prepping, cooking, serving, storing, naturally nonstick, everything you've loved. Also wanted to mention, we have an accessory, a complimentary item that you can purchase to go along with this. And it is our dip palooza, okay? We're including what we call our dip hooray, which are 6 great dips, as well as, hold please, 6 of our sweet dips. So you're actually going to get 12 individual packets. That's a little over $1.50 each, $19.99. You're gonna get our Razzie Raspberry, our Cozy Cappuccino, and of course our Creamy Coconut. You'll get 2 of each. And then let's talk about Dip Hooray. Spunky spinach, cheddar cheesy bacon, yes please, sassy sweet pepper. All you're gonna do is add mayo and sour cream, caramelized onion, good karma, delicious pickle, my fave, and of course our sesame parm perfection, okay? So that's also a complimentary item if you wanna check it out. But the star of the show is our Sleigh Baker. We only did this one other time. We brought it back in 3 great patterns. Our green and red polka dot. What? Hold on, I gotta show you. I gotta show you. Look at how beautiful that is. By the way, if you have some of our lidded pieces, our cutting boards, our serving platters, if you have like this guy, he will slide right in here also. So now you can even customize your Sleigh Baker however you want to use it, okay? So we did, of course, our red and green polka dot. Love him. Oh, how slides right inside there. And then we did our poinsettia, which I showed you earlier. And last but not least, we did our beautiful festive fetty, which has that gorgeous red and green, all individually hand painted, all of our great stoneware, limited edition, one of a kind. We didn't bring a ton of these in. This is why we made it our latest and greatest must-have, under $30. Head on over to temp-tations.com, and don't forget to also include our entire 12 assortment of dips and sweet dips. All right, everybody, here's to a beautiful, beautiful table. Cheers.